Hello and welcome to the daily message for this second Sunday of Lent. Today's gospel story is the story of the Transfiguration. Jesus took 3 of the disciples up on a mountain, and there he was transfigured. And his garments became white as snow, and Moses and Elijah appeared with him. Peter was so enthralled that he said, "Oh, let's build tents here so that we can stay here forever." In the Transfiguration, the disciples came to see and to understand Jesus in a new way. They came to see him as the long-awaited Messiah, as the Son of God. Our spiritual journey, the spiritual journey that we are focusing on during this season of Lent, is also one of transfiguration. During Lent, we can come to see ourselves in a new way. We might, through this season, come to the conclusion that, you know what? I'm better than I thought I was. Or we might say to ourselves, I'm not quite as good as I thought I was. Our transfiguration involves our coming to see ourselves for who we are, as sons and daughters of God, created in the very image of God. That goodness that God gave us from our creation is always there. It's simply a matter of our coming to understand it, to appreciate it, to thank God for it, and then to live it out. In the gospel story of the Transfiguration, the disciples came to see Jesus for who he truly was. In this season of Lent, let us come to a deeper awareness of who we truly are, made in God's image. Thank you for watching, and have a safe and restful and happy Sunday.